Hey girlfriend, you want to hold the door for me while I get my stuff? Or you want to get my stuff while I... whatever, just record. That's her job. We had a great time at Orcas Island. This is our last day here. The last night was our previous night, so we're just going around the island, getting a few more cool shots before we head out. Everything but you is fading. I see you lie. Take me away from me. Beyond the striding stream. I'm burning up. Keep me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my horizon. Okay, so those houses are pretty cool up there. And you have all these boats right here.
That's a houseboat right there.
Oh, there's a houseboat. We'll check that one out. That one's super clean. I think that's like one of the cleanest ones I've seen. But this one is super vibey. The Viking Spirit, Seattle, Washington.
Sailboat.
Sailboat. Look at that. You got a little couch on the inside. You got a little pirate steering wheel. Ooh, look at it. You got a whole kitchen area. That's cool. That's really cool.
You can live in it.
You could totally live in it. Not really a bed or anything,
Not
but
in there.
Oh, in there? Oh, yeah, huh. That's cool. That's cozy. All right, let's go find other cool ones. We have all these normal boats, but have you ever seen a houseboat before? Look at this thing. This is really cool. Kitchen right there. They have a whole map of the United States. Probably like the bedroom. It's a big bedroom. We're doing big bedroom activities.
Down the highway side, cold wind, but it feels right. With you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging you, it's you I want.
And we just drove down to the east, and that's just us finishing up the day. We drove down to like that southern east end of the island. We were gonna go on a hike, but it was really wet and rainy and we didn't have any boots. So we were like, let's not destroy our feet. But the drive was beautiful. Come on guys, this is amazing. I know the camera has a bunch of water spots on it. That's my bad, y'all. But the drive is beautiful. It's just gorgeous. And I would totally do this again. I wonder what it's gonna look like in the summer when we come back here. That's gonna conclude our trip, y'all. Let's head back to the ferry. Can we just note how beautiful the girlfriend's hood looks on her Alfa Romeo? Ooh, that metallic green goes crazy. Let's load back onto the ferry and then get back into town. We did see some Christmas lights though on the way here, so we checked those out. It was huge. It was at this like casino mall thing. It was such a vibe. And then we went to go grab dinner.
Am I excited to see Brandon again?
And it was mid. And I didn't really care for this yogurt thing, but it jiggles and it was so cute. We could not stop playing around with it. Anyways, thank you guys for coming along this trip with us. If you want to check out the other 2 days, they're on the channel. So it's in the trips playlist. Make sure you watch them because they were so fun. And let us know where we should go next. So down for adventures. Thank you all for coming with me. Have a great rest of your day, night, week. Love y'all.